This is the last train.
I know.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and first look at these videos which are created by this AI generator. So let's look another video and see the quality. And let's try
Bread.
another one which is
Do
very
you take this fridge to
viral
be
on
your
YouTube.
wife? Pathetic! Throw him in the soup!
Okay, now I will show you how we can make these videos. Open Google, write HappyHorse. Log in using your Gmail account. You can see there are two options: generate video, edit video. If you click on edit video, you can upload the video and make editing. So if you click on generate video, then you can also find two options: reference mode, where you can upload multiple images, up to maximum 9 images, and you can create a video. The other option is first frame mode, which is like text to video. And here you can paste your prompt, and maximum length should be less than 5,000 characters. And then choose the number of video, duration of video, which can be 15 seconds, quality of video, aspect ratio, and choose the HappyHorse model. I am choosing latest one, 1.1. So then hit generate. It will take maximum 2 minutes to give you the video. And once the video is ready, you can edit, you can recreate, and you can download. You can create unlimited videos for free using different Gmail account. Thank you very much. Here is the result.